Welcome to this video on how to use Southern New Hampshire University's ePortfolio tool. To make the content in this video more accessible, click closed captions or adjust the playback speed. In this video, we'll walk through uploading artifacts, building your ePortfolio, formatting it, and submitting it for your assignment. Let's get started. First, let's see how to access the ePortfolio. To access the ePortfolio, go to the Tools tab in Brightspace and then select ePortfolio from the drop-down. This will take you to your ePortfolio landing page where you can upload any images, projects, or other files that you want to include in your final ePortfolio. These different files are referred to as artifacts. Next, we will look at how to upload artifacts. To upload an artifact, you're going to want to click on Add Files. Then Upload, and choose the photo or project files that you would like to include. For this assignment, we're uploading two artifacts, a photo that represents us for the welcome page, and the project that we will be analyzing for this assignment. Once uploaded, click on Add to ePortfolio. This doesn't automatically place the file into your ePortfolio presentation, it simply makes it available when you're ready to build your ePortfolio later. Now that your artifacts are uploaded, let's begin building the ePortfolio. From the right-hand menu underneath Build Your ePortfolio, you're going to select New Presentation. Give your presentation a clear name so you can easily find it later. You can skip the description for now. Next, select Content Layout to begin adding and editing pages. On the left side, you'll see the Pages panel. This is where you can add and organize sections of your ePortfolio. The required pages and page titles will vary between assignments, so check your rubric. For this tutorial, we'll be adding a welcome page and a projects page. To rename a page, click the drop-down icon next to it. This opens up Page Properties, where you can change the name of the page and save it. To add a new page, click the page icon at the top left of the Pages window. And if you want to reorder pages, you can use the up and down arrows next to the page icon. Once your pages are set, you can click on View Presentation to preview your progress. Next, let's edit the welcome page we created. Click the page to open it, and then select Add Component, and choose Artifacts. All of your uploaded artifacts will appear. Check the one that you want to add and click on Add. If you click View Presentation, we can see that sometimes the file name is still visible for pictures. To remove that file name from view, click the drop-down next to the file and click on Edit Display Options. Delete the display title and then click Save. Now let's add some text to this page. We can do that by clicking Add Component and then selecting Text Area. Name the area something simple. This usually won't appear in your final presentation. And then in the Content section, this is where you're going to type what you want to add to this ePortfolio slide. Use your project rubric as a guide and be sure that the text you include in your ePortfolio aligns with your rubric requirements. Now let's upload our project file and add a written project analysis to the projects page. So we're going to begin by clicking on our projects page and repeat the steps from earlier. We're going to click on Add Component. And then from there, you're going to select your project file and then click Add. And then to add your text, you click Add Component again, select Text Area. And then from here is where you add your project analysis. Again, remember to refer to your rubric and be sure to include all assignment requirements in your project reflection. And if you want to edit your text, you can just click on the drop-down menu next to where you added it and then click on Edit. Next, let's customize the banner and theme. At the top of your presentation, you may see a default banner. If you want to customize it, you can go to the Banner tab and change the title to something relevant to your assignment, or more general, it's up to you. Now, if you want to get creative, you can customize the look of your ePortfolio by choosing a new theme under the Themes tab. Just select the theme that you want and click View Presentation to preview it. Now that looks really snazzy. Finally, let's look at how to submit your ePortfolio now that it's finished. Create a Word document to format and submit any written reflections required by your rubric, as well as the ePortfolio link. Follow your rubric's formatting requirements. In your document, you will include your written reflection, and most importantly, you will also include a link to your ePortfolio. This next part is very important to remember. This is how you retrieve the URL for the ePortfolio itself. So in order to get that, you go to the ePortfolio homepage, click the drop-down next to your presentation title, and then select Share. And then from there is where you are going to copy the share URL. And then you're going to paste that link into your assignment document and submit it through Brightspace like you would any other assignment. And that's it. You've created and submitted your ePortfolio. Great work. If you need additional help, check out our other academic support resources listed in the video description. Thank you for watching, and good luck!